Dear all, hope everybody is enjoying their weekend. As discussed on Friday, that I will be posting a video on trending days and how you can maximize your profit during trend days. So let's quickly get started. Topics that we are going to cover today are on market structure, Nifty's 26th Feb review, and the Kotak Bank trade that I had shared on Friday. Let's straight away jump to the first topic, which is market structure. Markets essentially have three structures. Any stock or an instrument can either move up, move down, or be in a consolidation phase. So let's take a look at each of the structure and understand it in little more detail. Trending structure up. This is the type of structure that you will be seeing on a chart on a trend day. That is, a stock or an index opens at a particular price and keeps moving up. In the process, it starts creating higher highs, higher lows, a new higher high, a new higher low, a new higher high, and so on. This structure will be valid till the higher low is broken. Generally, on a trend day, price will close at an extreme end from its open price. A classic example will be, like most of the time you must have seen a stock or a index stock opening at around 2 or 3% higher and eventually ending up closing at about 6 to 8% higher. That is the power of trending days. This doesn't mean you start chasing the price. You should always wait for retracement to happen or a pullback to happen. When you have identified a stock or an instrument that is trending, you should wait for it to form a higher high and a higher low, and you should always enter at a higher low, which will actually mean a pullback or a retracement. And once a stock or an index starts moving up and starts forming new higher highs and a new higher low, you simply keep moving your stop loss to new higher lows till the time your stop loss gets hit. That way you will maximize your profit and also in the process lock your profit. Key point to note here is, on trending days you should always let the stock run and you just ensure that you keep moving your stop loss. Once your stop loss is hit, that eventually mean what? End of trend, right? So hope people are able to understand and correlate to your past experience.
Moving on to the next structure, which is trending structure down. This is exactly the opposite of trending structure up. This is how the chart of a trending structure down will look like. A stock or an instrument will start moving down and start creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, new lower lows, new lower highs, new lower lows, new lower highs, and so on. So once you've identified a stock or an instrument which is trending down in nature and starting to form this kind of a structure, you should be looking for an entry at a lower high. Uh, this means you are actually looking for a entry at a retracement or a pullback. That is the best way to look at it. Uh, Once you have entered at a lower high and the stock or an instrument has started to make new lower lows and new lower highs, you should simply keep trailing your stop loss to new lower highs. By doing this, you're doing a couple of things. One is locking your profit for any kind of a reversal that may happen during the market. Second, you are actually maximizing your chances of getting maximum returns on a trending day. As I told you, on a trending day, the closes are actually the extreme. So you open at a particular price and you close at an extreme price. So to enjoy the best benefit, to enjoy the maximum profit, this is the best way to trail stop loss. So let's look at Nifty, because Nifty had a clear trend day down on 26th. Let me just show you the chart. So this is Nifty for you on 26th. You can see the structure. I have clearly marked the lower lows, lower highs for you. This is exactly how it is. Uh, you can see this. So this is the structure, and now you see the structure. It will resemble the same because that's how trending days look like, right? You open at a particular end and you close totally on an extreme end of the same direction. So let me just open TradingView for you and let me just explain in a little more detailed way. So we had a trending day. We had a um, gap up of about 300 points the other day due to global cues. So once this is, I'm just marking it for your easy reference. So this once this 15 minutes candle finished, once it tried to break the high, which in this case is lower high, when it was not able to fulfill that, it just crashed, right? It just crashed. So as I tell always, wait for the first half an hour to 45 to 1 hour to give you a clear cut signal of what the market wants to do. People people who go against this trend will be butchered like anything. Butchered like anything. Again, I'm saying on a trend day, it is better to be on the same trend. You can earn good amount of money, but if you try to go against it, you will be butchered like anything. Butchered like anything. So on this day, you can see the structure how it performed. So I marked the lower highs for you, right? This is the lower high. Now you see where did it hit? It has not even hit lower high yet. Okay, so we are waiting for Monday to see how the market opens and what kind of signal it gives. So I think we, like I said, this is where we opened, right? Somewhere here, I think, right? And we closed C on an extreme, on an extreme, totally on an extreme, totally on an extreme. So that's the power of trading with trend. So be with the trend and enjoy the trend, and just be just keep ensuring that you move your stop loss. Let's now look at Kotak Bank. Uh, Kotak Bank, I think I'll just explain you the logic, and I'm sure you'll also appreciate why we are trying to explain here. So Kotak Bank, I gave a sell at 1842 and with a stop loss of 1865 with a target of 1780 and 85. This is this was the target, and uh, this was the trade. Let's see how it performed. Let me just open TradingView for you so that I'm able to explain it in a much better way. Just a minute. Kotak. So again, Kotak had a similar structure. We had a good gap down, right? Just a minute. I'll just mark. So exactly, you can see this is the gap down zone, right? Once this lower high was not able to breach, was not able to break, it was very clear that it is going to be a trend day, right? Because as I told you, lower high, if it was broken, it should have started moving like this, chances. But I'm saying this is how the structure looks like, right? Lower high, lower low, right? Now see the entry that I had given, almost, right? 1842 is the entry that I given, and my target was simple. At this time the uh, price was around. Let me just move a bit so that I wanted to explain something. Okay, the price was about 3% lower, I guess, right? Yeah, I think 3% lower. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So this is the entry. I think if you look at my uh, trading signal, so 1842 was my entry short, right? And the target was this. I think it actually hit also, right? 1785, right? Somewhere this was 1785, right? So I wanted to do this video just to make sure people understand the concept of trading with trend on a trend day. So we shorted here, and the immediate lower high was this one, this zone, right? Close to 1835. Your stop loss is this much, let's say 18, 20, 30, 20, right? This is it. Rest, you wait for the trend, let it break. That's fine, right? Now you've locked the profit also. You're at least getting some good, decent profit here. That's fine if it gets hit. So then the chances is the stocks will also start moving like this, right? So we'll go for a new trade where I see this kind of a structure. I'll go for a new trade, right? So on a trend day, respect the trend. Don't try to be over smart and trade against the trend. That's the key. Hope everybody understands this. This is how you can earn maximum. Again, I'm saying trend days are the days where you can earn hell lot of money, provided you are with the trend and you stay in the trade. That's the beauty of it. You have to stay in the trade. That's fine if you're booking profit. As I said, locking profit is as good as booking profit also, right? Because even if the trend say, let's say after this, let's say it started moving up. Worst case, you're still enjoying the profit, right? You're already enjoying about 13, 14 rupees of profit. That's good enough. So that's how the trade should be. Always respect your risk and protect your capital. Capital protection is the foremost and most important thing in the market. Trend days out of you will get I think on 10 to 10, on a scale of 10 you will get at least 2 to 3 trend days in a month. There are so many stocks, so many instruments. uh, I'm sure if you're able to capture one good trend in a month, I think you're done for the entire month. So you don't have to even trade for the next few days, next few weeks of the month. So trend days are the best days to uh, earn a lot of money. So just be with the trend, stay with the trend, don't go against trend. People who have gone long here must have been killed, must have been killed. And the structure still looks very bad for Kotak Bank. As you know, it has been one of the underperforming, not I'll not say underperforming stock, but it has been one of the stocks which has been beaten up very badly for the last, I think so, couple of weeks now. So I am still looking. I want to see how it opens on Monday, and if it starts forming this kind of a structure down, I will again start to look for a shorting opportunity. But till then, let's wait for confirmations. But that's how it is. You should play on a trend day. You should always try to maximize the profit rather than. I mean, booking profit is good, but I'm saying these are the days when you can maximize the profit. Now, the reason I said why again, I missed this point. The reason I said it still looks weak is you can see this consolidation happening, right? Huge, right? And after the consolidation, it has given a good red candle. You can see the volume now. You can see the volume clearly. Towards the end, it started spiking up, but again, it's good that we are seeing a good wick here, a good long tail. So let's see how it opens on Monday, and do wait for my trading call. Let's see how it opens, and we will take it from there. I hope everybody enjoyed this session. Do let me know in comments if you want to know anything about trending days or any kind of structural updates that you want from me. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. But yes, as always, respect your risk and protect your capital. Looking forward for a good Monday. As of now, SGX Nifty future is trading around 50 points up. Nothing significant, right? Nothing significant. So we are still. There are only two ways to go. Either we go up or down. Chances that there are 50-50 chances for both sides. So let's wait for that. Till the time, let's enjoy watching the screen. Thank you, and have a nice rest of the day.